This is Bike Zone Official Reviews, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, a motorcycle designed to bring adventure riding to a whole new audience. In the United States, Honda has combined decades of expertise, rugged adventure DNA, and modern technology into a package that is more approachable, lighter, and yet full of spirit. Carrying the Africa Twin legacy, the Africa Twin name has long been associated with Dakar-inspired adventure. Known for toughness, endurance, and world-crossing reliability, it has set the standard in the adventure touring segment. With the new 650, Honda is continuing that tradition while lowering the barrier to entry. The Africa Twin 650 is meant for those who crave exploration, but don't necessarily need a leader-class machine. It promises agility, comfort, and performance, wrapped into a form that suits both seasoned riders and newcomers to adventure biking. Engine, performance, and technology. Power and performance. At the heart of the Africa Twin 650 is a 649cc parallel twin engine, engineered to balance power with usability. Producing around 75 horsepower and 60 Nm of torque, it delivers strong, mid-range performance ideal for long rides and off-road exploration. Honda has designed this engine to be both responsive and smooth, making it perfect for city commutes, highway cruising, and rugged trails alike. Transmission and ride modes. Riders get to choose between a 6-speed manual gearbox and Honda's popular dual-clutch transmission, DCT, offering convenience for those who prefer an automatic-like experience. The bike is also equipped with multiple riding modes, including Tour, Urban, Gravel, and customizable user settings. These modes adjust throttle response, traction control, and ABS intervention, ensuring adaptability to different terrains across the United States. Advanced electronics. Technology is a big highlight of the Africa Twin 650. A full-color TFT touchscreen display provides navigation integration, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone pairing. The bike features cornering ABS, Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and cruise control as standard. For long-distance riders, this ensures maximum comfort and safety, whether on paved highways or dusty trails. Design, comfort, and conclusion. Rugged but accessible design. The Africa Twin 650 carries the same rugged DNA as its larger sibling, with a tall stance, rally-inspired fairing, and LED lighting system. However, its seat height is slightly lower, making it more accessible to a wider range of riders. The design balances aerodynamics with off-road toughness, while offering wind protection for long journeys. Suspension and handling. Equipped with long travel Showa suspension and a 21-inch front, 18-inch rear wheel combination, the Africa Twin 650 is ready for uneven terrain. The suspension is adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune settings for touring comfort or off-road. Precision. With a manageable weight compared to the Africa Twin 1100, this model is much easier to handle for new adventure enthusiasts. Touring comfort. Honda has designed the bike with adventure touring in mind. The ergonomic seat, upright riding position, and wide handlebars create comfort for long hours on the saddle. A large 20-liter fuel tank ensures extended range, while luggage mounting points make it easy to set up for cross-country travel. Price and market in the U.S. One of the most appealing aspects is affordability. Priced competitively below the larger Africa Twin 1100, the 650 model is expected around $10,000–$11,500 in the U.S., making it an excellent choice for riders who want an adventure bike without breaking the bank. This positioning makes it a direct competitor to models like the Yamaha Tenere 700 and KTM 790. Adventure. Final thoughts, Bike Zone Official Reviews. The 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 is not just another motorcycle. It's a statement from Honda that adventure is for everyone. With its balanced power, advanced technology, rugged design, and rider-friendly ergonomics, it brings the Africa Twin spirit to a wider audience in the United States. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for something lighter or a newcomer ready for your first adventure bike, this machine has the potential to redefine your riding journey. At Bike Zone Official Reviews, we believe this bike will mark a turning point in the midweight adventure segment. The Africa Twin 650 combines Honda's reliability with innovation, delivering a motorcycle that is both capable and approachable. For riders across the U.S., it could be the perfect gateway to a world of adventure.